Welcome back, guys. So we are back with another video, and today we are going to create this. So let's get started. So in our last video we have created a small part of our project, like we have improved the UI of our project, and we have improved some transitions. Now today we are gonna add some levels, and we are gonna add some smart assets. We will be working with smart assets today. So for that I have created two empty level, and you know guys how to create this. I have created this third level and the first level, and the second level is the previous one. Like if you do not know how to create an empty level, what you have to do is you just have to press Ctrl and D to duplicate this layer level, and let's name this 2.1. And what you guys can do, you have to just delete all these things, all the unnecessary things, and after doing that you will have an empty level with you. So that is very easy. So just forget that part and just jump here, and now let's go to the smart asset library. In asset library you can go to the smart asset, and today we are going to use swing cube. We are gonna create this, and for that just add this to library, and let's name this swinger, this calling it swinger, but yeah, swinger. And now just change the shape of the swinger in Y direction and in X direction. So what you have to do is just increase the size, and here, and Control C and Control V, and again place it here. So yes, here we can use this multi-tool and to adjust the sides. So for that we just use this part, and we will use this. Now we will delete this layer and use this move tool, Control C and Control V, and again we will shift it here. Now what we are gonna do is we just have to select both of these, and I guess we should scale this down from here. Yes, this looks yes, this looks fine. Now again choose the move tool and Control C, Control V. You all know these things in we have learned all these things in our previous video. If you haven't watched our previous video, just will get the link of our previous videos. So just copy and paste this, and Control C and Control V. This is very simple. Yes, perfect. Now to start this level only, to play this level only, you have to click here, preview selected scene. When you click here, and I do not want this later, so you can see right now what is happening is both of the wall are moving in the same direction, and this is not exactly we are looking for. So what we are going to do is we will select the right part of the whole level. But before doing that, just lock end and start and ground and these two walls, and after that just select these swinger. And in this, what you have to do is set y as minus 180 degree. The rotation of y should be minus 180 degree of this right part, only this right part, not the left one. And when you play this again, you okay, first of all, just let me mute this sound. So I'll just remove it for now, and again we will go to the 3D world, and we'll play the scene. And now you can see this is what we were looking for, and this is actually good. This looks really nice. And now let's work on the another level. And in this level, what we are gonna do is we are going to add a hoop. So this looks nice, so just add this to our library, and rotate this in X direction, and in 90 like in 9 rotate this at X. Just drag and drop it here, and after that in the rotation set X equals to 90, and after that what you just have to set this, like place this properly. So this looks fine for me, and I think we need one more, so Control C and Control V, and yes, this. And now when we play this, you will see here like this is not the color, like the color of this hoop is green, but when we play this, this is showing us some bluish green, or so what we have to do is just go to the hoop, and in that hoop you can see if collide with all, it's a if collide, and in this affected asset is all, you just have to set this hero. And when you play this again, now what you will see again, this is showing blue. So I'll tell you how to fix this. And first just make this set this physics to none, and after that I think we should change this color. And for that let's pick some highlighted one, and in this add point we'll set this add point to 5, because this is something because we are not adding any boundaries or any enemies with this. So these are the special points. These are very limited as well. So in 3D mod, in set color, yeah, we can set this set color to yellow. Now when we go to the 3D world, and this looks okay, we'll change the color later because this looks weird, or let's change this because this is really weird. So let's do this, and when we go to the 3D world, when we play this again, yes, this is yellow, which we do not want. So for that what you have to do is just select this ground, and here you can see grass is the ground type is grass. We just have to remove this grass from no ground. We do not want any ground right now. Now when you play this again, this will work properly. So after this I think we should add a few more interesting things. So just go to the hoop again, and in this hoop what you have to do is in the search bar write position animation and delay property layer. Let me arrange the nodes properly, because right now it's now what we are going to do is we will gonna connect this in with the created, this out with the start. After that we will press Ctrl and Ctrl plus D to duplicate this, and we will disconnect this. Again Ctrl plus D to duplicate this, and now we will going to connect this done with start and this done with start. And we have to remove this is delta and is delta and is delta, and done with reset. Now in this position animation, when you play this, when we go to the 3D world and then we play this, you will see these small points are changing their positions. So we need to we need to set this position. So right now this is y equals to 2, and then y equals to 2, and again y equals to 2. So what we have to do is let's make it 0 and 0, and this then make it 0 1 and 0. Now when we play this again, now this looks perfect. Okay, this is like we are giving an opportunity to use this or leave it. So this we can do that, or I think we should add here 0 and 0.5 and 0 and 0 and 1 and 0. Now when we play this again, I think this will look better. Yes, this looks better, and yes, this looks better. Now we are going to do one more thing, and the thing is we need to add like we need to change this swinger color. So just double click on this, and in this 3D model just change this color to something like this, and yes, this. And when we go to the 3D world and this, so this looks fine for me, and you are free to do some changes. It's your imaginations. So now we are going to do one more thing. So just double click to hero, and there just select move, and in move you will find there is an option speed percent increase per second or speed percent increase per point. So just to show you guys, I'm just adding this entering 5 here, and then we play this. When we play this, okay, 1 2 5 6 8, now lots of and this and so this is weird, super weird, and this is really amazing. So let's set this to 1. 5 is too high, and 1 is fine, I guess. Yes, this looks better. So that's all, guys. I have created 3 levels. You can create more. You just have to press Ctrl D to duplicate this layer, and you just have to change this level name, and in this level you can add multiple of thing of your choices. And now tomorrow we are going to add checkpoints, and on the basis of checkpoints you will be able to jump to the next level. So till now we have created this much.